Hello and welcome back again to my channel. If it's the very first time of coming across this channel, hi, I am Oma Click. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's video will be preparing stew, but this time around it's with fish, so we're preparing fish stew. So to my fish lovers out there, this video is actually meant for you. Okay, so sit back, relax and enjoy. But first guys, I'll start by prepping this fish, which I have already done off the camera. Okay, I'll start by seasoning this fish. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the ingredients I use for the seasoning on the description box below, so check out my description box for the ingredients. So I'm going to go in with a little amount of water that can cook this fish. I'm going to cover this up to simmer properly and cook done. So while that is cooking, I'm going to start prepping my tomato mix. This includes my tomato, my Scotch pepper, my onion and my green pepper. Okay, I'm doing this to take out the sour taste. While that is well cooked, I'm going to grind it and set it aside as well. So at this point my fish is done and I'll start by frying this fish. First I went in with onion. This onion helps to add more flavor in this fish while frying it. So I love to add onion while frying my fish. So at this point I went in with my fish. I'm going to stir this fish until both sides is well cooked or well fried. At this moment I went in with my onion to fry my tomato mix. I fried this onion a little bit before I have to go in with my tomato mix. And remember guys, you are going to be stirring this on a medium heat as well. So I'm going to stir this on a medium heat after adding all my tomato mix together. I stirred this a little bit before I have to go in with my ginger and garlic paste, my grinded ginger and garlic paste. So I went in with my grinded ginger and garlic paste and allowed that to cook for 20 minutes. So you're going to stir this on a medium heat for 20 minutes. So this is after 20 minutes. I went in with my seasoning cube and some salt for taste. So I went in with more onion. This adds more crunchiness to this tomato stew. So I'm going to stir this for 10 minutes before I have to go in with some seasoning for the stew. The reason why I'm doing this is to reduce the sour taste that comes with the tomato paste mix. Okay, so I stirred this for 10 minutes and went in with some seasoning. I'm going to drop the seasoning on the description box as well. Okay, so check out my description box for the seasoning. So after 10 minutes of stirring my seasoning, I went in with my leaves, my curry leaves. Okay, preparing that Nigerian tomato stew without this leaf is like you are missing a lot in that stew. So if you want to have a total flavor and make you feel at home, add this leaf to your stew. So don't miss out if you want to prepare that Nigerian stew. So at this point I went in with my fish. After adding my fish, I equally went in with the fish stock, which is the water I got from the fish. And I'm equally going to give that a quick stir and allow that to simmer for 2 minutes before I have to turn off my cooking gas. And if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please darling subscribe, like, share and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.